looking at finding factors and multiples of numbers. Now, for this, there are a list of rules that we have to remember. Okay, and we haven't over these, but I have written them out to remind us. So let's go over the question first. Now, number 1, this was one of the questions I took from your accelerated maths. Which is a factor of 886? So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and 10. And we've got some options down here. Okay, so we need to go through each of these and work out, are they a factor of 886? Now, I've just written down the rules very quickly so we can have a look. Now, 2 is a multiple of the number if the units column is an even number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So let's have a look. The units column, let's write it out like this just so we can. So 886. So our units column is a 6, which is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. So I'm going to put a circle around that one. Is 3 a factor? Now for 3 we need to think the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So by the sum of the digits I mean you add up all the digits in the number. So 8 plus 8 plus 6, which gives us 8 plus 8 plus 6, which gives us 22. Okay, now is 22 divisible by 3? Can you divide 22 evenly by 3? No, you can't. So 3 is not a factor. 4. 4 is a factor if the tens and units can be divided by 4. So our tens and our units is a 6. 6 cannot be divided by 4, but 8 can. But both of these need to be divisible by 4 for 4 to be a factor, so it is not. 5. Our rule for 5 is a factor if the units is a 0 or a 5. The units is not a 0 or a 5. So let's get rid of that one. 9. 9 is a factor if the sum of the digits can be divided by 9. So the sum of our digits is 22. Can that evenly be divided by 9? No, it can't. Okay, so get rid of that one. And then last one, 10. 10 is a factor if the units is a 0. Our units is not a 0, so we can get rid of that one. And so the only one of these that was a factor was 2. So A is our answer, because B was 2, 4, 10, C was 3, 4, 5, 9, and 10, and D was none. So A was our answer.